everyone, in this tutorial we are going to learn how you can display YouTube video stats on your website. So without waiting any further, let's get started. Make sure that you have installed the pixel before creating the notification. Once you have installed it, click the add notification button. You will see different type of social proof notifications and widgets here. Go to videos. Here you will see two different variants: YouTube videos and channel subscriber. In the first one, you can show your YouTube stats and video thumbnail, while in the second one, you can display stats and subscriber button. Choose whichever you want to display. We will go with the second one. Click on See Designs and select the notification design of your choice. You can choose from the design options available. Select any of this and you will see a pop-up asking name and website URL. In name, you can write anything that is easy to remember. In URL, you have to mention the website URL where you want to display the notification. Once you have filled in this information, click on Create and Customize, and you will be redirected to customization page. Here, we have three main sections. The first one is Design. Here, as you can see, we have Notification Template Gallery where you can change the design if required. Then we have Live Preview Screen where you can see how your notification will look like on your website. You can also check how your notification will look like in mobile phone and desktop screen. Using this switch, you can change the theme. Further, we have three main configuration options. In design, you can customize notification text, icon, position, animation, borders, colors, and more. You can also choose which stats you want to display under text editor. We have options available for video views, subscriber, and videos count. If you don't want to show subscriber count, then you just have to turn this toggle off. Similarly, you can hide and show other options too. Now, let's say you want to redirect your users to desired pages or your YouTube channel. Then you can make your notification clickable and add CTA button. Next up, we have data and timing settings. In notification data settings, you can choose whether you want to skip send notifications to same visitors during a specific period of time. We recommend you to keep this on, as your visitors might get annoyed looking at the same notification again and again. Now, in case if you want to change notification delay and display time, then you can set it using this set timing options. The design section is all about making your notifications eye-catchy so you can grab your customer attention. Once you are done with design section, click on Save button to apply the changes. Now, let's move to the display section by clicking the Continue button. What you can do here is you can choose where you want to display notification, like display it on all pages or specific pages by adding different display conditions. If you want to display same notification on multiple websites, you just have to add multiple website URL here. You can choose whether you want to display notification to returning or new visitors, and target the specific audience by using segmentation options like UTM, cookies name, referred name, and more. Now, let's move to the third and the last section, that is data source. Here, you have to integrate your YouTube channel to fetch stats automatically. To integrate YouTube, click on Add Integration, then select YouTube channel. You can add your channel using channel ID or channel username. Let's do it with the channel ID. Copy your channel ID from here and enter it in this text box. In remarks, you can enter any name that is easy to remember. Now, click on Create and your channel will be connected. You can see your YouTube channel stats here. Close this pop-up and activate it by clicking the checkbox. Once you have customized all these three options, your notification is ready to go live. Simply click on Finish button and turn the notification on. Now let's check it on your website. As you can see here, the notification is live on your website. You can also create the second variant using the same steps. So that's how you can create YouTube stats notification. If you want to explore more advanced options, you can find the video links in description. And if you still face any issues while creating YouTube video stats notification, connect with us on a live chat or mail us at support@wisernotify.com.